We are proud to present Klarf View Hub software functioning as a closed-loop system that bridges raw data visualization with active, on-demand AI classification. It operates primarily across three core modes: KLARF Show, ADC Training, and Run KLARF.1. KLARF Show mode, manual inspection and on-demand inference. The KLARF Show mode serves as the primary scientific viewer for visual defect analysis. Data loading and validation. Users can load single or multiple KLARF files. When multiple files are selected, the engine executes a validation check, e.g., ensuring map sizes 200 mm or 300 mm, and merges the datasets into one unified batch view if needed, which is extremely helpful for defect signature definition. With configurable classifier, user could detect what is the defect signature, scratch/ring, or other, for further investigation. When a user clicks a defect, red dot, on the map or a row in the table highlights red and a floating, draggable pop-up window appears. The software uses a flexible JSON configuration, config.json, to dynamically hunt down associated inspection images across varying semiconductor tool directory structures. AI badging. If an AI model was preloaded, the neural network processes the image on the fly and injects a bright red badge, such as AI, small, or AI, DAP, directly into the defect's pop-up window in under 20 milliseconds.